Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I just opened this up. Bought it on, where did I buy it? eBay or Amazon. Doesn't really say. Anyway, I had broken the crystal on that watch a few days ago, and I didn't think I was going to be able to get it fixed because sometimes they have a hard time finding parts for older watches. I've had this watch at least 20 years, maybe 25, and it's not an expensive watch. It's a Casio, but I like the look of it. And so I got this new watch that I liked, and then turns out I was able to get this fixed. It didn't cost me too much, and it's great. So now I've got an extra watch, which is fine. I don't have a lot of watches. I have like 3 basic watches that I'll be using then. This is a Luminox, and that one's Casio, and then I've got a Rolex. So I thought I'd share this with you guys and gals. I kind of like watches. The millenniums, they don't carry them. They just carry their phones. But I like to be able to go like this and see what time it is. I don't want to have to press a button, swipe, push an app. I don't want to do any of that stuff. I know you can get it displayed on your screen, but anyway, I like watches. So this is looking kind of nice. Let me give you a close-up. It's called a Navy SEAL watch. I like military and I like scuba type watches. Let's take the protection off of it. And I just opened this up. It's got a rubber band, but it's like a soft rubber band. It's got a nice feel. Actually, it has some weight to it, which I'm a little bit surprised because it's plastic. It's a plastic watch. My Rolex and this Casio are steel watches. This is a plastic watch, but it has some heft to it, which I like. Let me give you a close-up. I don't even know if it's running or got batteries or what. Oh yeah, it's running. It's even got the right date on it. Today is the 18th. Wow. And so I'm not really reviewing this watch. Supposedly it has very good illumination at night. The whatever these are called. Somebody posted down in the comments if you know what these are called. This is a dive watch, so it'll go down. I think it's rated for 600 meters. Oh, 200 meters, excuse me. 600 feet. 200 meters is approximately 600 feet. It's made in Switzerland. Almost all good watches are Swiss watches. My Rolex is Swiss. The Casio is not Swiss. I believe it's Japanese, but this is Swiss. And I'm really liking this. I'm going to put it on. I'll show it to you on my wrist. Well, this is kind of funny. Not returnable if tag is removed. And it's just a piece of string. You can cut it, but it's got instead of a knot, it's got this seal on it. So I better put it on and leave this on there so I'm sure I like it before I decide to keep it. So here it is on the wrist. The band feels really nice. Sometimes I use NATO bands, which are cloth bands, but I think I will use this one. I like it pretty much. You have to, all right, so it is a little hard to read the numbers 1 through 12, but that's intentional. This is supposed to be a watch that is stealthy. It doesn't shine or it doesn't reflect. I guess theoretically the theory would be if you're a sniper in a nest and you're looking at a guy, you don't want your watch reflecting off the sun and giving away your position. So I don't know what real snipers use. Probably not this one, but there it is. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Well, here's something interesting that I did not know. for the battery in the watch, it has an end-of-life feature that means replace the battery, basically. The second hand stops and jumps forward 4 seconds at a time. That means the battery is almost dead. Do not under any circumstances open the watch yourself. Whatever. I do a lot of things that the instructions tell you not to do. It's not a leather strap, so we'll skip that. Okay, well, I'll wear it while I'm doing some accounting work here, and I'll decide by this afternoon if I'm going to keep it. I'm liking it a lot, though. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep it. Take care. Be safe. Froggy out. Bye.